भारतं भारतं भवतु भारतं, भारतं भारतं भवतु भारतं, शक्ति संभृतं युक्ति संभृतं, शक्ति युक्ति संभृतं भवतु भारतं, शस्त्रधारकं शास्त्रधारकं, शस्त्र शास्त्रधारकं भवतु भारतं, रीति संस्कृतं नीति संस्कृतं, रीति नीति संस्कृतं भवतु भारतं, कर्मनैष्ठिकं धर्मनैष्ठिकं, कर्म धर्मनैष्ठिकं भवतु भारतं, भक्ति साधकं मुक्ति साधकं, भक्ति मुक्ति साधकं भवतु भारतं, भारतं भारतं भवतु भारतं, भारतं भारतं भवतु भारतं. Let's know the meaning. Welcome to class 6, chapter 6 of semester 2. भवतु भारतम. भारतम हमारा देश कैसा हो ऐसा हो. भवतु. भवतु you may have heard in many of the आशीर्वाद. सुखी भवतु, यशस्वी भवतु, तेजस्वी भवतु, विजयी भवतु. भवतु यानी let it be so. वैसा हो. मेरा भारत ऐसा हो. Let my Bharat be this, be that. Let us find out क्या, कैसे. प्रिय छात्राः, नमस्ते. मैं हूँ आपकी संस्कृत आचार्य डॉक्टर नम्रता. नमस्ते संस्कृत यूट्यूब चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है. हमारे साथ जुड़िए. प्रेस द सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू क्लिक ऑन द बेल आइकन. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. आरंभं कुर्मः. शक्ति संभृतं युक्ति संभृतं, शक्ति युक्ति संभृतं भवतु भारतं. संभृतं means yuktam, having these things. Which thing? Let my Bharat be the one who has Shakti, strength. And let my Bharat be the one who is having Yukti, meaning all the solutions, all the ideas. It's not the skills that is written in the vocabulary at the end of the chapter. Yukti means this. So the action goes like Shakti, Yukti. Both are rhyming words. In the complete poem, Sampurna Kavya mein each and every word will be rhyming like this. So let my country have a great army, navy, air force, and then also have Yukti, ideas, solution to each and every problem in the world. When we say Bharatam, do you know the meaning of Bharatam? Bha meaning teja, brilliance, luster, light. And Ratam means magna, to get involved, engrossed in that light. What is good? Light or darkness? Light means Jnana and darkness means Ajnan. Our country has always been the source of knowledge. So ये जो ज्ञान की रोशनी है, ये जो उत्साह की रोशनी है, इस रोशनी में हमारा देश रत है, डूबा हुआ है, मग्न है. So it's very good to be engrossed in knowledge, in the light. Bharat. Then we have so many Shastra and Shastra Vidya in our country. Shastra Dharakam, holding like a Trishul, and you say Shastra Dharakam. For Shastra, you open a book and read. So any type of book is not called Shastra. Only a treatise जिसमें से बहुत tremendous विद्या मिलती है और उसे ग्रंथित किया जाता है by a person who has already achieved it. मैंने इंटरनेट से कोई इंफॉर्मेशन निकाली और उसकी मैंने रेसिपी बुक बना दी और फिर मैं नहीं कहूँगी because I have not tried any of the recipes, I am just making the book. तो no, that is not possible कि उस बुक को हम शास्त्र बोले. शास्त्र सिर्फ जिसने अनुभव किया है और वो लिखते हैं उसे कहते हैं शास्त्र. आप्त प्रमाणम वाक्यम, जहां पे हो वो. तो लेट्स से दिस. शस्त्रधारकम शास्त्रधारकम, शस्त्र शास्त्र धारकम भवतु भारतम. Let my Bharat be the one who holds weapons and one who holds treatises, scriptures. So हमें शस्त्र भी चाहिए, weapons भी चाहिए और सिर्फ एक आ की मात्रा लगाने से शास्त्र वो भी चाहिए. हमारे पास बल भी हो, बुद्धि भी हो तो हमारी जीत अवश्य तय है. रीति संस्कृतम नीति संस्कृतम रीति नीति संस्कृतम भवतु भारतम. Here the word संस्कृतम is used. Is this for the language? Let's see. Let my Bharat be the one who is having Riti Samskritam, meaning a culture where there is Riti. आपने रीति रिवाज साथ में सुना होगा. What are those? हमारी परंपरा, हमारी रीति, meaning our culture. आजकल के ट्रेंड्स जो आते हैं जाते हैं वैसे नहीं. Always trending, always truth. कि वो आप फॉलो करेंगे तो कभी भी वो पुराना नहीं होगा. ये हमारी परंपरा, इसको रीति. तो ये हमारे भारत में सदैव हो. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज नीति. नीति मीन्स लॉ एंड पॉलिसी. हियर अ फोटो इज गिवन इन योर बुक फॉर चाणक्य नीति. सो कौटिल्य अर्थशास्त्र में ऐसी लॉ एंड पॉलिसी है. सिमिलरली भर्तृहरि की नीति शतकम, उसमें भी 100 ऐसे पद्य मिलेंगे आपको जहाँ पे कैसे जीवन जीना है. विच आर द लॉ एंड पॉलिसीज फॉर लीडिंग अ सक्सेसफुल लाइफ इन ऑल डायमेंशंस हैज बीन गिवन. सो आर संस्कृत भाषा, आर संस्कृति, इंडियन कल्चर इज हैविंग बोथ रीति एज वेल एज नीति. सो रीति नीति संस्कृतम भवतु भारतम. मे इट नॉट बी लॉस्ट एनी टाइम anywhere. It should be always, our Bharatam should be always equipped with both Riti and Niti. कैसे behave करना है, कैसे हमें law, policy and administration करना है, वो सब में हम प्रथम होने चाहिए. कर्म नैष्ठिकम धर्म नैष्ठिकम कर्म धर्म नैष्ठिकम भवतु भारतम. नैष्ठिकम वर्ड को पहले समझेंगे. It is coming from the word निष्ठा. One who is having nishtha is called naishthik. You may have heard it with naishthik brahmachari and things like that. So nishtha, to have nishtha meaning to have dedication, commitment. In what? So first is karma, karmani nishtha, and then is dharma, dharme nishtha. So let Bharat be naishthika, meaning devoted, dedicated, committed to all the work we do, committed to our dharma. As I said before, dharma can mean a lot more than just religious context. Just being going to a temple and doing worship is not dharma. Dharma means what to do, adharma what not to do. So dharma can mean your duties, your responsibilities, including religion. To be religious is one of the things of the dharma. You may have heard in the Mahabharata dharma sankat. So when is dharma in sankat? When I don't know, as a teacher, as a wife, as a mother, if my responsibilities are clashing with each other, I will say, oh, I am in my dharma sankat. I have my students' exams, so I cannot leave my students alone. My daughter is sick, I cannot leave my daughter alone. So now two responsibilities are clashing, I am in dharma sankat. So here it's given dharma naishthikam. Let my Bharat become sincere towards dharma. Each and every duty we have, each and every work we do, let us be sincere. So in this whole poem, wherever Bharatam is written, it applies to Bharatiya. भारत कैसे करेगा? जब सभी भारतीय करेंगे तब. भक्ति साधकम मुक्ति साधकम भक्ति मुक्ति साधकम भवतु भारतम. Let's understand the word sadhakam first. It is coming from one who does sadhana. So sadhak is achiever, like that. Not directly the meaning, but yes, closest English translation is achiever. So bhakti sadhakam, let my country Bharat be achieving bhakti, be an active achiever in bhakti, devotion, and also be an achiever in the mukti. Let us understand both of this word in two perspectives. If I am talking about just the general day-to-day life, then bhakti will mean to be devoted in your own work. Each one of you, a watchman or a teacher or a student, each one of you are doing your own duties devotedly. श्रद्धा पूर्वक आप भक्ति कर रहे हो अपने काम की, कार्य की. And all of you are also achieving freedom in your life. Freedom will not mean to wear short clothes or talk rubbish to your parents. That is not freedom. Freedom will mean it's from here you will feel light. You will not feel restrictions. In the restriction as a framework of the society, you will feel light, swatantra. Now let's talk about the actual meaning of bhakti and mukti in the context of this photo given in your textbook. So each and every society advances in science and technology, in education, in earning money, but there are 4 purushartha. Okay, purushartha means the lakshya of our life. Dharma, artha, kama, moksha. धर्म हम अच्छे से अपनी ड्यूटीज निभा सके, अर्थ अच्छे से हम धनार्जन कर सके, हम कमा सके, काम हमें जो इच्छा है वो हम परिपूर्ण कर सके, और मोक्ष फाइनली फॉर लिबरेशन वी प्रे दैट आफ्टर अचीविंग सो मच लिबरेशन. अब बात आती है कि व्हाई डू वी वांट मोक्ष, हमें मुक्ति क्यों चाहिए? क्योंकि हमने धर्म ड्यूटीज कर ली, पैसा कमा लिया, उस पैसे से जो इच्छा है वो पूर्ण हो गई. अब एक एग्जांपल देती हूं. अगर आपको जलेबी खाना पसंद है, आप कहेंगे अगर मेरे पास अभी जेब में पैसे नहीं है, when I will become rich, I will be fulfilling all my कामना, इच्छा. So you get jalebis. अब आपके पास इतने पैसे, आप रोज जलेबी खा सकते हो, 1-1 किलो खा सकते हो, समझो. तो इतना सारा आप भोग करके वन डे यू विल से मुझे जलेबी पसंद थी, अब इट्स टू मच, अब मुझे जलेबी देखने भी नहीं अच्छी लगती है. सेम अप्लाइज टू ऑल द कामना, ऑल द भोग. वी मूव टूवर्ड्स द सिंपल लाइफस्टाइल स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली, एंड वी जस्ट वांट द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग ऑफ आवर लाइफ, मोक्ष, इस संसार से छुटकारा. We don't want all the dukha and पीड़ा from जन्म to this all जीवन. So we want कि भगवान आप मुझे इस जन्म मृत्यु के बंधन से फ्री कर दो. We want moksha now. So that is mukti sadhakam. Let us be achiever of devotion towards God and the ultimate life goal, moksha, liberation, final liberation. Let's start the abhyasa karyam. Pronounce the following words correctly. Shakti sambritam, Shakti sambritam, with energy. Yukti sambritam, Yukti sambritam, full of ideas and solutions. Karma naishthikam, Karma naishthikam, devoted and committed to our own work. Shastra dharakam, Shastra dharakam, holding or having weapons. Shastra dharakam, Shastra dharakam, holding or having all the scriptures. Dvitiya prashnaha, fill in the blanks with one word that is missing from the poem. Karma naishthikam, Dharma naishthikam. So dharma is missing, लेकिन एक शब्द में लिखना है and then underline dharma. Bharatam, Bharatam, Bhavatu Bharatam. Bhavatu is missing, it's a separate word, underline it. Shastra dharakam, Shastra dharakam. Underline Shastra and in one word. Riti samskritam, Niti samskritam. Together. Bhakti sadhakam, Mukti sadhakam. So this question was given in this perspective. Okay, you know all the rhyming words from the chapter. Karma, dharma, shastra, riti, niti, bhakti, mukti. So the next question is the same, where all the rhyming words are to be written together. So please note it down. Shakti, yukti. Shastra, shastra. Riti, niti. Karma, dharma. Bhakti, mukti. So this was our Bharatam. So as a Bharatiya, let us take a pledge and in the comment say, yes, I am a Bharatiya. Aham Bharatiya asmi. Aham Bharatiya asmi. And this will become all true. If as a Bharatiya we are taking the step to make our Bharatam, so Bhavatu Bharatam. Do some Paropkar today. Share this video to those who are still confused in Sanskrit. Join our support system group exclusively for students of class 5 to 7, 8 to 10 and 11-12 onwards. Keep learning and have fun with Sanskritam. If you found this video helpful, contributions are open and welcome to the UPI number given in the description box. You can also contact WhatsApp number 8511 499 555. It's completely optional and your contributions will help us to create more free videos for all of you. Dhanyavadaha.